All right, you guys, so this is what I'm going to be using for my DIY protein treatment. I have an egg, and I'm going to be using some mayonnaise. This is the only mayonnaise I had, was the Duke's Real Mayonnaise. And I'm going to be adding some oils to this as well, which is going to be the Nourished by Shawnta stimulating scalp and hair oil. So I'm going to be infusing that as well into my DIY protein treatment. All right, you guys, so see how nice and flowy my hair is? Just so bouncy back, bounce, bounce. But anyway, y'all, I just not finished mixing my DIY protein treatment, you know, and I'm about to apply this to my hair, and I cannot wait. It smells so bad though. You smell like a sandwich. But I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off and apply this stuff. I got a good amount of it, so like I said, I probably won't use all of it. I don't know, I might not use all of it. This is all because I need to get over here. I don't smell like mayonnaise. I don't care too much. But I've really been having problems, y'all, with my hair thinning really bad and shedding really bad. And I was like, you know what? I did some research on YouTube, like basically why is my hair shedding a lot? Like what's going on? What do my hair need? And then only the whole protein treatment popped up. Like maybe you need a protein treatment for your hair. Maybe your hair is lacking something like protein. Maybe it's so weak and it needs some help. And I thought about it, I was like, yeah, I haven't done a protein treatment in over like a year plus probably. Because it wasn't that I didn't want to do one. I actually completely forgot about protein treatments, y'all. So I was like, you know what? I used to do these a lot more, and my hair was a whole lot thicker and it grew a lot faster. So I was like, you know what? Let me do a protein treatment because I ain't trying to have no see-through hair. And that's what it was doing. It was see-through hair. And when I say, y'all, when I say my hair was shedding so bad, I was like, I said, it could be postpartum shedding, but I don't think so. Like over a year now. Like some people still do shed hair over a year after postpartum, but my hair has stopped shedding for a while. It did like a shedding, postpartum shedding, and then it stopped. And then I noticed my hair started thinning really bad and breaking off. Breaking off was kind of like I needed to trim, and then it started looking really see-through. Like I said, y'all, started looking really see-through, and I did not like that. I was like, I don't want to look bald. I want thick, luscious hair. Like I said, my hair already is not as thick. It's really, I have really fine hair. So, but I know my hair, what my hair can do. I know where my hair can be. You know, that's why I'm like, what is going on with my hair? Why is it so limp? What do you need? And I was like, thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Google, because I really, truly forgot about doing protein treatment, y'all. Alright, you guys, so I have finished applying the protein treatment, and I'm going to let my hair sit for maybe 30 to 40 minutes. I feel like my hair really needs this protein, and I'm going to show you guys the results in a minute. So I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks after 30 to 40 minutes, and also I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks after I rinse it out. And then I'm probably going to end up having to shampoo my hair again because I don't want my hair smelling like mayonnaise. And then I'm going to add me some conditioner. Some leave-in conditioner. Okay, so stay tuned for all of that. All of that. Stay tuned for all of that, okay? Alright, you guys, so it has been about 40 minutes. And I just want to show y'all how my hair looks after 40 minutes. Just going to give y'all, you know, some information, just how this hair is looking. So, ooh, hope this thing come out. So, this is how my hair is looking after 40 minutes. Whatever, so it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to be rinsing this out and getting it, you know, back the way it needs to be. Okay. Alright, you guys, I just added some of my go-to leave-in conditioner, which is the, you guys should know, the Suave Naturals leave-in conditioner. And I applied it to my hair while completely wet. And that's what I'm doing now, just doing some conditioning. And I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna section my hair off and run through my hair too much because I don't need to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna be parting my hair. I already got like a part that's like permanent, I feel like, to my hair. So let me part in my hair real quick. Probably gonna cause a little bit of frizz, but I'll fix that in a few minutes. So, got my part nice and smooth. And I'm gonna take my conditioner, my deep conditioner, and just put it all right through my hair again, just to smooth out some of that frizz that I got going on right now. So. Alright, you guys, so I am complete, and this is how my hair is looking so far. As you guys can tell, my hair looks totally different. It looks so much better than it did before when I, before I trimmed my hair, before I detangled it, before I did all that, goodness that my hair actually needed. I'm telling you guys, if your hair think your hair needs a protein treatment, just go ahead and do it. Like I said, my hair right now is still damp and wet, so now I'm really be able to see my shrinkage and see how my hair looks fully, like with volume and body, until it like completely dries. But you guys can see my hair has so much bounce now, like it's actually moving, it's bouncy, it's not tangled on the ends. So I'm really, pleased with this, protein treatment. So I want y'all to just see how nice this looks. I see these curls popping. My ends look so much better. They're nice and clean. I got a little bit of frizz right here, but that's okay. I'm not really worried about that right now because I can fix that tomorrow. But I'm just gonna let my hair dry and do its own thing and leave it alone, because I'll be able to style it and do whatever else I need to do with it tomorrow. But as long as that part is done, I really don't care too much. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hopefully it was helpful to you guys. If you need to do a protein treatment, do research first or whatever. If you have a hairstylist, ask them, do they think you need a protein treatment, or do like me and just go with the flow, because like I said, my hair was shedding really bad. So hopefully, this thing is looking so crazy, but I'll fix that. But hopefully my hair stopped shedding as much as it was doing before, and we can get back to get some more volume going on. But I thank y'all for watching this video, and I hope this video, like I said, was entertaining. I hope it was informative to you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And when was the last time you did a protein treatment? Like, how often do you guys do protein treatments? Because I don't know, I don't really have a set time or schedule for a protein treatment. I probably should be listening to my hair a little bit more when I need one, see if I actually need one. But I'm so happy. My hair looks so much better, you guys. Can't wait. Like I said, I got frizz right now because I haven't defined my curls, but that's okay. I'm gonna get that together tomorrow. And right here it needs to be defined too, because it gets so puffy once it starts drying. But thank you guys for watching this video. And if you're not have subscribed to my channel yet, go and hit that button down below if you like what you see. And thank you guys for watching. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video and just supporting me through my natural hair journey. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, toodles. Peace.